Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for a secured card with Discover, credit building guide step by step clearly. To apply for a secured card with Discover, start by visiting the Discover website. Navigate to the credit cards section. Look for the secured credit card option. Click on the specific product to view details. Review the features and benefits offered by the secured card. Ensure you understand the security deposit requirement. Determine the amount you wish to deposit. Prepare to provide personal details, including your name, address, and social security number. Complete the online application form. Enter your financial information accurately. Include your employment information if prompted. Review your application for any errors or missing information. Submit your application by clicking the appropriate button. Wait for confirmation of your application submission. Check your email for updates on your application status. If approved, follow the instructions to make your security deposit. Once the deposit is received, your secured card will be issued. Activate your card as soon as it arrives. Start using your secured card responsibly to build your credit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.